Imagine a time when you were a child, feeling invincible, basking in the affectionate gaze of your father or fatherly figure who believed in your dreams and capabilities. These timeless interactions form the foundation of our theme tonight. The unwavering belief that there is so much more to your potential beyond mere confidence. While confidence is vital in propelling us forward, fatherly wisdom nurtures the growth of strength, character, and resilience, enabling us to soar to new heights and overcome life's adversities. We often associate the term fatherly wisdom with sage advice and life lessons, but it transcends the traditional boundaries of fatherhood. It encompasses the wisdom of mentors, role models, and guiding figures who have graced our lives with their profound insights, guiding us through the labyrinth of life and molding us into the best versions of ourselves. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the multifaceted aspects of fatherly wisdom and how it intertwines with unlocking our potential. Welcome to the Mindful Motivation Station. Great day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our inspiring video on nurturing the seeds of greatness, embracing fatherly wisdom to unleash your full potential. Today we go on board on the journey filled with valuable insights passed down from generations of wise fathers, nurturing the seeds of greatness within each of us. As we gather here in the embrace of this remarkable event, I encourage you to envision your potential and embrace the guidance of fatherly figures, not only to enhance your confidence, but also to unlock your true potential. Throughout this captivating video, we will embark on a profound exploration of 3 vital dimensions that hold the key to unlocking our true potential. Let's dive in. Our first one is embracing vulnerability to unleash inner strength. In the first dimension of our journey, we delve deep into the heart of fatherly wisdom, the profound art of self-discovery, and the transformative power of embracing vulnerability. Fatherly figures like beacons of light guide us to recognize the beauty and acknowledging our weaknesses and imperfections. Instead of seeing vulnerability as a sign of weakness, we learn that it is a gateway to unearthing our hidden reservoirs of strength and resilience. Just as a father tenderly encourages his child to explore the world beyond their comfort zone, we too must embrace the unknown and venture into uncharted territories. Taking risks and facing challenges might seem daunting, but it is in these very moments of uncertainty that we discover what we are genuinely capable of achieving. It is through these experiences that we unearth the gems of our true potential, waiting to be polished into brilliance. In the safety of fatherly wisdom, we learn that failures are not stumbling blocks but stepping stones towards growth. Just as a father embraces a child after a fall, we too must embrace our mistakes, learn from them, and rise stronger and wiser. Each failure becomes a valuable lesson, guiding us towards our path with renewed determination and resilience. As we embrace vulnerability and uncover our true selves, the barriers that once held us back begin to crumble. We are no longer confined by fear or self-doubt. Instead, we soar with the wings of newfound confidence and self-awareness. The journey of self-discovery, guided by fatherly wisdom, empowers us to walk boldly through life, transforming obstacles into opportunities and limitations into limitless possibilities. So let us go on board on this journey of self-discovery, hand in hand with the wisdom of fathers and fatherly figures who have shown us the path to embracing vulnerability. Let us be unafraid to peel back the layers, to reveal our authentic selves, and to unlock the untapped potential that lies within each of us. As we explore the vast landscapes of our being, we will find the strength to rise above challenges, the courage to face the unknown, and the determination to embrace vulnerability as a gateway to unleashing our inner strength. Secondly, we have the essence of emotional intelligence. In the second dimension of our transformative journey, we immerse ourselves in the profound tapestry of fatherly wisdom, discovering the essential threads of empathy and emotional intelligence. Within this intricate weave, we find the keys to fostering meaningful connections and forging a path towards both personal fulfillment and collective progress. Fatherly figures serve as living embodiments of empathy, guiding us to understand the emotions and perspectives of others on a deeper level. Like a gentle breeze, empathy sweeps away the barriers that separate us, allowing us to build bridges of understanding and compassion. By stepping into someone else's shoes, we learn to embrace their joys and sorrows, triumphs and challenges, fostering a sense of unity that transcends boundaries. Embracing empathy not only nurtures healthy relationships, but also unlocks the door to our emotional intelligence. As fathers exemplify the art of active listening and compassionate understanding, we too learn to attune ourselves to the unspoken feelings and desires of those around us. By pausing to truly listen, we create a space for genuine connection, one that goes beyond mere words and delves into the very essence of human connection. In this interconnected web of emotions, we find the power to bring about positive change not just in our lives but in the lives of others. Empathy acts as a catalyst for transformation, allowing us to respond to adversity with kindness and to celebrate others' successes with genuine joy. It is through these acts of empathy that we forge bonds of trust, cultivate a culture of support, and create an environment where everyone feels valued and understood. As we nurture empathy and emotional intelligence, we find that our journey towards personal growth becomes intertwined with the greater good. By acknowledging and appreciating the diverse tapestry of human experiences, we embrace a collective consciousness that unites us in our pursuit of a better world. Accordingly, allow us to embrace the essence of empathy and emotional intelligence, guided by the wisdom of fathers and fatherly figures who have shown us the power of understanding and connection. Let us listen with open hearts, reach out with genuine care, and forge bonds that transcend borders and differences. By harnessing the transformative force of empathy, we not only strengthen our emotional intelligence, but also weave a fabric of compassion that envelops us all, paving the way for positive change and a brighter future for humanity. Lastly, we have nurturing a chain of positive impact. In the final dimension of our transformative journey, we bask in the radiance of fatherly wisdom, which transcends the confines of the self, encouraging us to leave a lasting legacy and impact future generations. Like a venerable tree, a father plants seeds of wisdom in the hearts of his children, nourishing them with love and guidance. Similarly, we too have the privilege and responsibility to sow seeds of positive change in the lives of others, cultivating a legacy that will resonate through time. As we journey through life, we accumulate knowledge, experiences, and values, becoming the custodians of a treasure trove of wisdom. Fatherly figures remind us that this wisdom is not meant to be hoarded but shared generously. By imparting our knowledge to others, we become architects of growth, empowering those around us to unlock their potential and discover their own paths towards greatness. Just as a single candle can ignite an entire room, the act of giving back ignites a chain reaction of transformation. When we selflessly share our wisdom, skills, and time with others, we plant seeds that bear fruit far beyond our own existence. The ripples of our actions touch lives we may never meet, shaping a brighter future for generations to come. Fatherly wisdom teaches us that our legacy is not defined solely by material wealth or personal achievements. Rather, it is the impact we leave on the hearts and minds of others, imprinting them with the inspiration to do the same for those who follow. In this beautiful cycle of giving and receiving, our legacy becomes a tapestry woven with the threads of compassion, kindness, and empowerment. By nurturing a culture of giving back, we create a powerful legacy that extends far beyond our lifetimes. We become beacons of inspiration for future generations, guiding them towards their own destinies and sparking a symphony of positive change that echoes through time. Thus, give permission yourself to embrace the spirit of legacy and giving back, guided by the profound wisdom of fathers and fatherly figures. Let us sow the seeds of positive change, knowing that our actions today can shape a better tomorrow for countless souls. As we pass on the torch of knowledge and compassion, we become an indelible part of a larger story, one that weaves together the triumphs and aspirations of humanity in an ever-advancing journey towards a brighter, more enlightened world. Nurturing the seeds of greatness, embracing fatherly wisdom to unleash your full potential offers us a chance to embrace the invaluable lessons of those who have guided us, or those we admire, transforming their wisdom into a catalyst for personal growth and profound impact. As we leave this gathering tonight, let us carry with us the determination to explore our vulnerabilities, cultivate empathy, and create a legacy of change. Embrace the wisdom of fathers, mentors, and guiding figures, and let it serve as a beacon illuminating the path towards unlocking the boundless potential that resides within each of us. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey on the Mindful Motivation Station. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to inspire others to unlock their potential beyond confidence. Together, we can make a difference and weave a tapestry of greatness for generations to come. Until we meet again, stay curious, stay compassionate, and continue to embrace the wisdom of fatherly figures in your own lives. Remember, at the Mindful Motivation Station, we're committed to empowering you with motivational content that fosters personal growth and uplifts your spirits.